builds its first new auto plant in 53 years. How the small pickup trucks that went through the IIHS's new side test performed, and why two former salespeople at a Mercedes-Benz dealership in St. Louis are $1.8 million richer. Good morning, I'm Kristen Strakalaitis. Welcome to First Shift. More on those stories in a moment, but first, if you drive a Ram heavy-duty diesel truck, it could be under a recall. Stellantis says it's recalling 2020 through 2023 Ram 2500 and 2020 through 2022 Ram 3500 trucks for fire risks. This is because of a buildup of pressure and heat inside the transmission that may result in a transmission fluid leak that could spark a vehicle fire. Stellantis says if you see your truck's warning light come on, you should contact a dealer because that could indicate there is a leak. The automaker hasn't reported any crashes linked to the recall, but it has reports of 16 vehicle fires and one minor injury that could be related to the recall. A fix is under development. To help Ford meet its EV goals, it started building a massive electric pickup factory in a rural part of Tennessee. Blue Oval City is the automaker's first new auto plant in 53 years, but not everyone is happy about it. Some people say they are worried it will ruin their quiet life and will increase the crime rate. CEO Jim Farley will keep building the plant to meet the automaker's goal of producing 2 million battery-powered vehicles per year by the end of 2026. Ford says in 3 years, the plant will be ready to build electric F-Series pickup trucks and the batteries that power them. Polestar plans to expand its production thanks to a $1.6 billion loan from two major shareholders. Since Polestar is grappling with supply chain bottlenecks, surging raw material costs, and softening demand, Volvo Cars and PSD Investments' loan will help capitalize the automaker through 2023. Polestar CEO says the financing allows the automaker to focus on delivering more cars to more customers as it continues to stay on track developing its product portfolio. Polestar says it plans to launch 3 models and sell 290,000 vehicles by mid-decade. Most small pickup trucks are proving to be pretty safe vehicles to drive. This is after the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety says 5 out of 6 small pickup trucks that went through its new side test received a good or passing grade. The Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab, GMC Canyon Crew Cab, and the Honda Ridgeline Crew Cab earned good ratings, while the Nissan Frontier Crew Cab and Ford Ranger Crew Cab were rated acceptable. The Toyota Tacoma Crew Cab was rated marginal. All 6 vehicles earned good ratings in the original side test. Two former salespeople at a Mercedes-Benz dealership in St. Louis are $1.8 million richer after winning a discrimination case. Denise Lagon and Dorothy Robinson say they worked in an unfair work environment that benefited male employees. Claims from the two women include sexist remarks, being held back from sales, and being required to unfairly split commissions with male employees. Robinson also says the company passed her over for a promotion in favor of a white man. TriStar Imports, the owner of Mercedes-Benz of St. Louis, was ordered to pay the women damages and back pay after a week-long trial totaling $870,000 and $940,000. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to autonews.com for more news, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.